What's cracking lacking? It's your boy Catch It Lacking, and today we are going to show you step by step how we set up this today. And if you like it, like and subscribe, share to a friend. We about to get to it. Christmas came late, man. Like I felt like a kid on Christmas morning. I ripped open that box. Once Amazon delivered it, I was low-key struggling, but we got it there. We got it. Get out my way. The sound card I found compatible with my Xbox was the BM800 Mic Kit Bundle V8S. I got right into it, unboxing or unpacking all the stuff that came in the bundle. Look at it. Sound card looking nice. I was acting like a kid in a candy store. Get out my way. I don't need you no more. As you can see, it comes with a decent amount of stuff. It didn't come with instructions, but was pretty simple to figure out. You'll put the holder to the arm and screw it wherever you want it. I put it to the back of my desk, so whenever I'm not using it, I can put it up. This is the piece that will hold the microphone. You're just going to screw it into the arm. Make sure it's nice and tight. I was struggling with it for a little minute. Felt like forever trying to get this thing to screw in. Boom, there she goes. Once it's on, it can go up or down. Moving it side to side is just loosening it. After that, you'll put the phone piece on the mic and stick the mic into the holder. A little pressure never hurts, but still be careful when putting it in. Adjust it however you like. You're going to take the cord and plug it in to the bottom of the mic, like so. You see how tight I'm grabbing it? Make sure it's in there. I'm guessing this is like a sound reducer or like something to make the sound more clear. We just going to attach it to the arm. Again, took forever, so I'm just going to speed this up a bit. Then move it around to the front where you'll be speaking into it. Bam! Not even close to being done. Now we gonna unbox my new laptop. My old one was a Chromebook, and for the capture card, I needed something with Windows. I was struggling with the box once again, almost cut myself. I got the Asus FHD from Best Buy. It was a box inside of a box. You are going to need special outlets, ports. So before getting a laptop, research on what you need. So like I said, it's a brand new laptop, so we got to get it set up. This took forever. The longest thing I ever seen in my life. Like asking all these dumb questions. Like, let's just get here, man. Let's get it done.
A few moments later.
Right here, we're going to do a quick little sign in. Can't show you my password, though. You see it. Mr. Catch-A-Lacking Savage. We finally in there. Life swim well. After I got my laptop set up, we can finally hook up our sound card. The first thing I'm going to plug in is the microphone. We're going to put that into condenser mic 1. Then we got the headset, which you are going to plug into headset. I really don't know what took so long for me to plug in, but I want to make sure y'all know where everything is going. Right here we got the power cord. We're going to put the C-type into the sound card and the USB into the computer. If you liked the video and it helped you, please like, subscribe, and any concerns, drop below in the comments. You know what it is. We got another box. We are back again, almost cutting my fingers off. I don't know if I was too excited, but these boxes be whooping me like Mike Tyson in the 90s. The Elgato HD60X, the capture card itself. I don't know why I was struggling so hard to take this little strip off. Shout out to my boy JV for gifting me this. But I got her, and she peeled off like I thought she was going to peel off, but she did. Either way, after that terrible peel that I just did, got her out, and she's still looking nice. This aux came with the sound card. We are going to take the aux cord and plug it into the aux port on the Elgato. We are going to take the other end and plug it into the sound card on Live 1. Trying to make sure it's focused so you can see what I'm doing step by step. You'll need 2 HDMIs, one from your Xbox and the one that came with the Elgato. The one going from your monitor will go into the Elgato on HDMI out. Then take the other one and plug it into your Xbox on the other end into the Elgato on HDMI in. Make sure these are on the right input. If you don't, you probably won't get any signal on your laptop. The C-type cord will be put into the Elgato. The USB in needs to be plugged into the USB 3.0 port on your laptop. For this capture card, it has to be a 3.0. I attached a picture of what a 3.0 looks like versus the regular 2.0 USB. Don't worry about the colors, just make sure it has SS on the USB. Now that everything is plugged in, your laptop should already read the sound card. To make sure, go down to the bottom right where the sound is and right-click, select the sound setting option. Your speakers should already be set to the sound card. Mine's called V8S. Go down to more sound settings. Should pop up a small window. On both playbacks and recording needs to have speakers set to default on sound card or V8S. That's what mine was called. Then we're going to go to elgato.com/download on the web. You'll look for 4K capture utility and download it. Gotta get out of all these pop-up ads. Once it's downloaded, you should see the icon on your home screen. Turn on your Xbox. Open it up, and it should automatically pop open to the same screen your monitor has. This is the final product. After I figured out where I was putting all the cords, I still got a lot of cords still hanging, but in time, it's coming. That was just the basic, hooking everything where it needs to go. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share it with anybody you feel like needs help, and more videos on OBS, how to set it up, all the settings you need, everything you need to get rolling to start streaming. It's your boy Catch, and I'll catch you live.